Contact Starfleet.
Mission briefing. Unidentified space alien entity detected in Sector 001. Awaiting your orders.
Engage.
Warp drive engaged. Entering Sector 001. Dropping out of warp. Entering impulse power. Sector 001 in view.
Mr. Sulu, scan the environment.
Sensor analysis indicates alien entity is a space amoeba, non-hostile. Energy signature fluctuating.
Uhura, try to contact the entity.
Hailing frequencies open. Alien entity transmitting. We are experiencing difficulties with our propulsion systems. Your assistance would be appreciated.
Scan its propulsion system.
Sensor analysis indicates the space amoeba's propulsion system is unlike anything we've seen before. It appears to be a bioenergetic propulsion system, tied to the entity's natural energy signature.
Spock, do you have any suggestions?
Spock, Captain, I believe we can assist the alien entity by providing a resonant energy frequency to stabilize its propulsion system. I am running simulations now.
Can we use the deflector dish to send out this frequency?
Affirmative. The deflector dish can be modified to emit the resonant energy frequency. I am transferring the coordinates to the dish now.
Engage deflector dish.
Deflector dish activated. Energy frequency emitted. Space amoeba's propulsion system stabilizing.
Uhura, contact the entity.
Alien entity responding. Thank you, Captain. We will continue our exploration of the galaxy. May our paths cross again. Mission complete. The space amoeba has continued on its journey, and we have gained valuable knowledge from our encounter. Reporting findings to Starfleet.